Manipuri women reiterate a demand to repeal APSPA on 19 Maira Paibi Numit. Congress MLA Fazlur Rahim says BJP government's ban on cow slaughter is an attempt to suppress the rights of beef-eating minority communities. Woman found dead under suspicious circumstances. Police prevent cremation and arrest husband. CBSE announces result of Class 12. Raksha Gopal of Amity International School, Noida, tops with 99.6%. And Neroka FC defeats Certain Samiti Kolkata to win 2nd Division League 2016-17. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You are watching Prime Time English News Bulletin and I am Victoria Rajkumari bringing you the top stories. The women of Manipur today reiterated their demand to repeal APSPA from the state on the 19th Maira Paibi Numit. The 19th Maira Paibi Numit was celebrated today. As part of the celebration organized by Maira Paibi Numit Observation Committee, a large number of women displaying placards against APSPA took out a rally from Thangmeiban Thao ground to Kurai Salanthong Tharo Devi ground, where a public meeting was held. Poirei Laimarol Maira Paibi Apunba Manipur President and Observation Committee Convener Longjom Memjobi, retired Professor Dr. Khetribeyum Bimola, Maira Paibi Welfare Association Kanglaipat Vice President R. Rengsongok Koireng, among others, attended the event. Speaking at the function, Maira Paibi Numit Observation Committee Convener Longjom Memjobi said, the observance which began in 1999 reminds the people of the role of Maira Paibis in challenges of the society. She said, the Maira Paibis of the state demand repeal of APSPA and justice to the victims of the fake encounters under APSPA.
Maira Paibi Sibule Ramdragadi, Akoi Manipurda, Akoi Miot Minaja, second matic hand, Yanni, a Miot Minagi hand, Mamata, Nupi is that chair, is that Mahala was he to sing the Giros, the Gihoraga, Nasib Hauda, Miot Minay, Aduga, pet accounters, quite the Gimaru, Oyabaquina, Nasi, Akoi Maira Paibi, the low river town down, say pet accounter. Yade, but I later when me hardly was say, a single back, Mio, hug and make it a magda, in my ben, may have the Kwang, the Kwang, culture like a no piggy is that Bambaya, where I begin Tanjazo, loaded with the Montana singer, Simba, May 28, Sibu Mara by being mid of Zabesan committee and loaded up, Pang talk to Nalai, but Taram happen suba of Zabesan committee.
Congress MLA Fazlur Rahim today alleged that Narendra Modi-led BJP government's ban on cow slaughter is an attempt to suppress the rights of the Muslim community and other beef-eating minority communities. Addressing media person at Congress Bhavan, the MLA further said Ramadan is an important festival for Muslims and the ban for cow slaughter will cause immense inconveniences to the Muslims. Former Mayor of Imphal Municipal Corporation, Maibon Faumai, said beef eating is an integral part of tribal lifestyle and the ban affects the tribal people. He termed the 2-year imprisonment for rapists and 5 years imprisonment for cow slaughterers as something unacceptable. It may be mentioned that under Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act, the Ministry of Environment and Forest has banned a sale of cows and buffaloes from slaughtering purposes, and sellers have to provide evidential documents stating that the sale is not for slaughters.
India is the Yamna Jatisi, Kayama, Apikpa, Achoba, Kayama, Puna, Taba, Dumba. Indiani, adu haribe India sida haribe jati punmuk singa se koi nam thanana ba hotna bani hairoi de begi maram ji koi leite BJP na paikhalakpa thauram asi janingbra pakhum pibiu sihaju leiriba sigumba BJP da lokholakpa apikpa phurup mayambu singnaba ase Congress party na thengnagani
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯖꯥꯇꯤ ꯑꯃꯕꯨ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯤꯂꯤ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯍꯤꯡꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯅꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯤꯂꯤ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯈꯥ ꯂꯩꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯕꯒ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯣꯔꯠ ꯏꯁꯇ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯕꯦꯜꯅ ꯃꯦꯖꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ BJP ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯦꯛꯁꯤꯟꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯏꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ.
Chief Minister Nongthomam Biren greeted the people, especially the Muslims, on the occasion of Ramzan. In his message, the Chief Minister extended his greetings to the people. He urged the people to imbibe Prophet Muhammad's teachings of promoting peace and enduring happiness of humanity. Fertile District Development Committee yesterday met Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar at his office. The members of the committee apprised the Deputy Chief Minister of the immediate needs of Fertile District. They also submitted a memorandum highlighting issues and problems faced by the people of the district. The Deputy Chief Minister assured to look into their grievances. A woman was found dead under suspicious circumstances at Tera Soyam Lerak. The deceased woman, who left behind a few weeks-old son, was found hanging at a rented house. Police halted the husband of the deceased from conducting the funeral of the woman near the riverbank at TYC ground in New Numberlands after people saw him conducting the funeral in a suspicious manner. The deceased is identified as Thongnaujam Ningol Santi, aged 38 years. She was the second wife of R.K. Modusana, age 43, from Singjamai, Wangwa, Torban. Police said the first wife of Modusana, Oinam Ningol Santa, 44 years, was also seen with him at the riverbank. They were trying to burn the body without performing any traditional rituals. A team of Imphal West Police arrested R.K. Modusana and his first wife, Oinam Santa. Police has registered a case. Meanwhile, a team of forensic experts visited the site and examined the body. With the construction of the Dolai Thabi barrage is almost complete, people in the area see threat on their lives. They are apprehensive that the village might be flooded when the barrage is commissioned. Speaking to Impact News, the villagers said landslide occur during rainy seasons on the road which connect Dolai Thabi and 15 different villages, with Pukau causing serious inconveniences to the people. R.K. Bikom, secretary of Dolai Thabi Development Youth Club, said the road connecting Dolai Thabi and the Hillock was not built properly and frequent landslides occur, creating problems for the people. He apprehended that if the authorities concerned do not pay due attention, landslide would occur on the road. People are apprehensive that Dolai Thabi village with about 40 households might be flooded once the barrage is commissioned. They also urged the government to shift the villages to a safer place.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯣꯂꯥꯏ ꯊꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯀꯣꯏꯕꯗ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯈꯨꯡꯒꯪ 15 ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯆꯠꯊꯣꯛ ꯆꯠꯁꯤꯟꯗ ꯑꯁꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯑꯀꯥꯏꯕ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯗꯥꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯆꯤꯡ ꯅꯤꯡꯈꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯩꯗꯤ ꯀꯣꯝ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯂꯩꯈꯣꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯗꯣꯂꯥꯏ ꯊꯕꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯖꯦꯛ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯂꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯉꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯗꯣꯂꯥꯏ ꯊꯕꯤ ꯈꯨꯡꯒꯪꯗ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯌꯨꯝꯅꯥꯛ 90 ꯃꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯔꯥꯛꯅ 200ꯃꯨꯛ ꯂꯩꯖꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯗꯣꯂꯥꯏ ꯊꯕꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯖꯦꯛ ꯁꯪꯒꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯉꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯌꯣꯛꯅꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯐꯒꯗꯕ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯒꯣꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛ ꯂꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯆꯜꯍꯟꯕꯤꯗꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯏꯁ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯍꯟꯕꯤꯕ ꯂꯝꯒꯤ ꯀꯝꯄꯦꯟꯁꯦꯁꯟꯗꯤ ꯄꯤꯈ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯟꯗꯤꯡ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯄꯔꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯝꯄꯦꯟꯁꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯗꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯇ ꯆꯠꯆꯔꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯥ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯗꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯃꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯒꯣꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯆꯤꯡꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯤ.
Saplings were planted today along the banks of the Imphal River from Singjamai to Loglaubung to keep the area neat and clean. Youth of the area planted the trees with the support of youth welfare organization Singjamai Thokchom Laikai, Environment Protection Society and Nomai Chang. They also cleaned the river banks. A debating competition on the topic Kakching Kaithel Phauduna National Highway Sembana Chakhatpa Purakpa Ngamgani was organized by Library Information Center Kakching at its auditorium. Special correspondent of the Telegraph, Kelen Thokchum, was the speaker of the debating competition. KCP in a press release clarified that Laishram Dhanabir, aged 41 years, son of late L. Ranbir from Khurai Ningthobong Laikai, who was arrested by Imphal East Commando last Wednesday along with one grenade and some demand letters, is not informant of KCP and has no link with KCP and its armed wing Miyamgi Fingang Lanmi. Now let's take a small commercial break. We'll be right back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You are watching Primetime English Bulletin. The people of Lilong constituency have not received PDS items for the last 6 months. AITI, AMMDC and Litpul have claimed that they have found that the people of the constituency have not been provided PDS items under the National Food Security Act for 6 months. They also alleged that the MLA of the constituency has threatened the people. The three organizations said they will probe the matter with the cooperation of the people. A sit-in was staged today at Thopokpi Ibendau Sobul Laidenbi Khongnangkong in connection with the issue of land being sold out secretly in Thopokpi village, Bishnupur district. Thopokpi Development Committee, Thopokpi Youth Front and Thopokpi Mahila Committee termed the allegation on certain organization without selling off some area in Thopokpi village as baseless. Oinam Chinglen, secretary of Thopokpi Development Committee, said they are planning to construct a tourist center at the site instead of selling it for the development of the village. Efforts were also made to save lands which will otherwise be wasted when the Loktak Ring Road is constructed. He also said construction of the tourist center was agreed upon a year ago after consulting the local MLA and even the blueprint was drawn. The secretary further urged the people not to make political mileage out of the situation. Maira Paibis has blocked Thangmeiban Mujilairak indefinitely, protesting against non-repairing of roads in the colony. They held protests on the road. The protesters said frequent floods occur during rainy seasons as the area does not have proper drainage. They also alleged that the former MLA of the constituency has failed to maintain the road. The protesters appealed to the government to repair the road at the earliest. An open house interaction program on the activities of Central Institute of Plastic Engineering and Technology (CPET) Imphal was held today at Takyal Industrial Estate. The importance of plastic was also discussed at the program. People including students who want to study at the institute were provided information at various stalls open during the program. Plastic products made by trainees of the institute were also displayed at the stalls.
अखोई नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ केमिकल्स एंड फर्टिलाइजर्स की मखादा लेब इंस्टीट्यूट से मैम से पब्लिक से सिपेट से तौर करीनो एक्टिविटीज़ करीनो अखोई मैम खंगनबीदमक अखोई सुमायना पब्लिक होल एंटायर पब्लिक अखोई इवेंट निमित्त इन्वाइट तौबने अखोई फैसिलिटीज येंबगी खुदोंचाब अमा पीजबने मैम लेरिबा ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम लेरिबसिंग करी करी ट्रेनिंग पीरीब खोलीब सिगी मतांगसिदा अकुप खंगनिंगबसिंग मै आदि मयामना खंगनिंग लेरिबसिंगदो नन खंगंगनि ngasi kanosida.
Medical camp held under Mission Indradanush in Kendroy block and other remote villages in Chandal district concluded today. The medical camp began on May 23rd under the supervision of medical officer in charge of More PAC Dr. Khangibam Santikumar. A 13-member medical team comprising of 13 doctors and 4 nurses covered 22 villages. 8 villages could not be covered as the villages were unavailable as they were engaged in jhum cultivation. The team treated patients and distributed free medicines in the 22 villages. The medical team faced inconveniences due to bad condition while traveling in the interior villages.
Medical team more PAC की domestic program मखादा ANM सिंगना कोई नर्स सिंगना मखाना सिरे immunization program चतरी मिरोन भी अमदी कोई ना कोपदगिना सही अनी फाउ मंग लेबा measles 2 BCG अमदी कोई J2 न सिंगबा tetanus toxoid मिरो मिरो सिंगबा कोई program सिरे की मखादा कोई पैकेजरी अफम असिदा कोई ने medical facility की ओइबा PAC की लेवल दगी अगम मते पांचगी है नम मसी योग्य रखने.
One-day free dental camp was organized jointly by Harikagok Makhong Development Committee and Lakshmi Dental Clinic Kashampat at Harikagok Makhong Palace Compound. Titular King Laisemba Sana Jawa opened the camp. People of different age groups were treated at the camp since early morning. Medicines were also distributed free of cost at the camp.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯈꯤꯕꯤꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯦꯛꯁꯤꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯈꯪ ꯑꯍꯩꯁꯤꯡ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯗꯅ ꯃꯇꯝꯒꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯠꯃꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯌꯥꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯉꯩ ꯃꯄꯥꯡꯒꯜ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯦꯛꯇ ꯀꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯝꯕ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯂꯥꯏꯕꯛ ꯐꯕꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯍꯔꯤꯈꯥꯒꯣꯛ ꯃꯈꯣꯡ ꯗꯦꯕꯂꯞꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯀꯝꯃꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯂꯛꯁꯃꯤ ꯗꯦꯟꯇꯦꯜ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯤꯅꯤꯛ ꯑꯅꯤꯅ ꯁꯤꯟꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯋꯥꯅ ꯂꯥꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯆꯠꯀꯗꯕꯗꯨ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯈꯪ ꯑꯍꯩꯁꯤꯡ ꯗꯥꯛꯇꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯤꯗꯅ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯥꯔꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯛꯇꯅ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯍꯜ ꯂꯃꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯂꯩꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯔꯛꯄꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯃꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤ.
The Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE) today announced the examination results of the Senior Secondary Examination Class 12. Raksha Gopal of Amity International School, Noida, has topped the CBSE Class 12 2017 results with 99.6%. Seasoned art student Bhumi Somandev from DAV Chandigarh is second in the list with 99.4%, followed by Aditya Jain from Bhavan Vidyalaya, Chandigarh with 99.2% and Manat Luthra from Bhavan's Vidya Mandir, Chandigarh with 99.2%. The overall pass percentage is 82%, while it was 83% last year. Around 11 lakh students have appeared for the CBSE Class 12 exam. Human Resources Development Minister Prakash Javadekar called the top 4 students and congratulated them. Board officials said student scoring in 95 to 100% range has increased to 10,092 from last year's 9,351. However, pass percentage fell by more than 1% to 82 from 83.05% last year. Students can check the results on the official website of the board at cbseresults.nic.in. The result has been announced after much delay due to the controversy with the marks moderation policy. One-day discussion on Khongjom Parva was held today with the financial assistant from the Ministry of Culture under Cultural Function and Production Scheme. The event was held at Thongam Sajau Memorial Community Hall in Khongwan, Zone 2. B. Suresh, who is doing research on Khongjom Parva at Manipur University, emphasizes the people's role in the protection and preservation of the rare art form. MLA Nahakpam Indrajit today released a book, Ai Amuk Lirage Taro, written by Lalit Kumar Moirangtham at the event held at Manipur State Film Development Society Palace Compound. Lalit Kumar Moirangtham expressed concern at the decline in the number of folktale writers and practice of telling folktales to children. The book is written both in Meitei Mayek and Bengali scripts. Now the sports news. Neroka FC Sangakpam lifted the 2nd Division League 2016-17 trophy, beating Southern Samiti Kolkata by 4-1. With this win, Neroka FC Sangakpam became the first team from Manipur to qualify for the 1st Division I-League, popularly known as Hero I-League, organized by All India Football Federation. In the final match played today, Ningthogjam Pritham of Neroka FC netted 2 goals in the 26th and the 37th minute of the match, while Singham Subhas Singh and Felix Odili Chidi scored 1 goal each. Kalu Ogba netted the lone goal of Southern Samiti Youth Fest. Sports Minister Lepao Hapki presented the Champions Trophy to Neroka FC. YAS Commissioner H. Dilip Singh, Neroka FC, President Dr. Thangjom Dabali, retired IAS R.K. Nimai, and members of All India Football Federation witnessed the match. Prizes were distributed to winners of the 27th All Manipur Shooting Competition 2017 at the closing functions organized by Manipur Rifle Association at Kumal Lampak Sports Complex today. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar, Parliamentary Secretary Home Laishangtem Susindro, and President of Manipur Olympic Association Irengbam Hemochandra presented prizes to the winners of different shooting events.
Sudah jilau sehingga ayah mungkin kita sini dua tahun begini kong ayah ayah kembali ayah om sih terjadi ya om sih macam kayak foto lega di biar tu good sudah ada kita sebut kayak jadi lagi breathing lagi sasu orang sih lagi shooting terus operasi tu betul sih sini tu yang ada coordinated kau pada mana yang ada tu buat macam ni ada tu madu tu begini panasnya ni saya masih ada tahun su masih suai.
Before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Manipuri woman reiterate demand to repeal of ASPA on 19 Mera Paibi Numit. Congress MLA Fajur Rahim says BJP government's ban on cow slaughter is an attempt to suppress the rights with eating minority communities. Woman found dead under suspicious circumstances, police prevent cremation and arrest husband. CBSE announces result of class 12. Daksha Gopal of Amity International School, Noida, tops at 99.6%. And Neroka FC defeats Southern Samiti Kolkata to win second division league 2016-17.